Hey skin lovers, I have a new product that I am obsessed with. It's called Claritag. It's an at-home skin tag remover. Trust me, Claritag does the trick. It's super easy to use and will save you a trip to the dermatologist's office. First, let's clarify what skin tags are because you definitely don't want to try this on a mole or wart. Skin tags are benign, flesh-colored growths, like soft flaps of tissue casually chilling on your skin. They're connected by a thin stalk, and while they might not be harmful, they can definitely cramp your style if they're rubbing against your favorite clothes or jewelry. They are commonly found in areas where the skin folds or rubs together, like the neck, armpits, and under the breast area. Unlike other skin conditions, skin tags are usually pain-free and harmless. This is the device, and these are called the activation heads. It comes preloaded, ready to go. Place the device down on a flat, hard surface. Any table will do, then press down for a couple seconds. Quick hack, for the first time you use this, let's press down twice to make sure these tips are ice cold. While pressing down, you should hear a hissing sound. Remove it from the base, and both tips should now be slightly blue. Apply to the skin tag right away within 5 seconds and squeeze the entire skin tag for 20 seconds. Skin tags should turn frosty white. Reactivate the device by placing it back into the base and pressing down. Yes, it's on its deathbed, but we still need to do it one more time. This completes the treatment process. The skin tag might get slightly irritated or inflamed right after treatment. Don't worry, that's normal. Your skin tag should fall off within a couple days. Some stubborn ones might take 7 to 14 days max. During this time, your skin tag should change colors until turning black and finally falling off. Claritag is FDA cleared for over-the-counter use in the USA and can be used by anyone regardless of skin tone. Enjoy your skin tag-free body and order your Claritag today.